Hello there, it's Ellie here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the site called Paid Verts, and specifically in this video I want to talk about using the advertising on this site. So the advertising on Paid Verts, well, you can see the advertising. You've got lots of banners everywhere. There's more banners here. There are also paid to click ads. And so Paid Verts is both an earning site and an advertising site. And that's one of the reasons why I personally really like it. First of all, I can earn a little bit of cash on the site by doing some ad clicks and things like that. And then I can use the amount of money that I have earned, and it just takes $1. So you can see in here my balance is $1.02. It just takes $1 then to place an advert on the site. Okay, so as I said, I've now got $1 in my account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the advert. I'm going to buy some advertising, and in fact by doing this, by buying the advertising, then I'm actually going to be increasing the earning that I get from Paid Verts as well. So it's very worthwhile doing. So I'm going to click here on Buy Ads, and it's the bulk ads that help to increase your earning. So there's a sale on this at the minute, so that's pretty good. So I've just clicked down, and if I go down further, then you will see this is the bulk ad campaign. There's an introduction video to it here. I've seen it several times, so I can just skip forward. Now, the first thing then that, well, I have a reuse campaign option. So these are all the different campaigns that I have already run on Paid Verts. And what I'm going to do today then is to enter a new URL, and I'll show you what I'm doing for this one. I'm going to be promoting my website, Simple Monthly Money. And the link that I want to promote is this one, the lead capture page link. If I click through that, I'll show you what the advert is. So this is it. Free Earning Income Challenge, one-to-one guidance to earn $500 in 30 days or less. Just add your details below for info. So this is the ad that I'm adding. I haven't put this one on here before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to track my results. To track the results, all I need to do is to copy the link to the lead capture page. So I'm just highlighting that. Control and C is going to copy that link. I then take this link over to my Leads Leap account, and I click on the track links option. So at the top here you'll see there's an add new URL and track it box, and all I need to do then is paste the link into that box and click on add now. Okay, so it's telling me that I've already got this URL, which I do, so I'll just use that one. I just wanted to show you how to actually add the link. So it's coming up here, Simple Monthly Money, and it's the autoresponder, which is exactly what I want to promote. And I need to just copy this link, the one at the bottom here. So I click here on copy, pops up here, Control and C is going to copy that link. So now I'm going to share this link instead of this one from Simple Monthly Money, because this link, this one, is going to tell me about the number of visits and the activity levels and things like that on the page that I'm promoting. So to do that, I'm going to pop over again to Paid Verts, and I'm just going to paste that new link, the tracker link, into the box here, and you can see it's popped up here below with the words Faffy Steel on the end. That's because I have used this link already on another site called Faffy, and or Free Advertising for You. So what I'm going to do, so I know that the hits are coming from Paid Verts, is just to add, I just added a little / there. I'm just going to add Paid Verts, oops, on the end of it here, and I'm going to click on Verify. So it will click through and it will show you the page that I'm promoting, which is this one, and I can click then on confirm. Okay, so that's the URL entered. The next thing then is to go to the option and it says banners. So I can upload a 125 by 125 banner image here, and I can upload a 728 by 90 or a 468 by 60 banner image here. So first thing, I'm going to upload the images. To do that, I first of all go to Simple Monthly Money and I find the square banner that I want to promote. So I think I will use this one actually. And so what I do is I literally just right click and save image as. And I'll give it a name, Simple Monthly Money, square. Oh, would help if I could spell. Square, stop paying. Okay, so saving the banner then to my computer. And now I go back to Paid Verts, click on Upload Image File, and I just need to upload it then from my computer. So it's Simple Monthly Money, Square Stop Paying, open, and there we go. So that's the image now added for that one. Do the same thing for this. I'm going to use one of the ones that I've already saved to my computer. So this is the Simple, Fast and Free one. So, you know, you can use different banners here if you want to. Okay, so next then I need to fill in 3 lines of text about the business. So I just need to fill in a little bit of information here. I tend to use this: start for free, build high level income, we can teach anyone. Okay, so that's the 3 lines. Choose the advertising visit time. So you can choose from different options here: 5 seconds, 15 seconds or 30 seconds. I'm going to go with the 5 seconds one. You can have the forced ad view, which means that people can't, you know, click away from the page, and that adds an extra 50 cents per ad pack for them to do that. So I'll just leave that blank. You can add extra impressions and things here if you want to. Obviously there's an extra cost, so I'm just going to click forward. Next then, enter your payment method. There are various different payment methods here that you can use. The one that I'm going to use is my Paid Verts earning balance. How many $1 ad packs would you like to purchase? Well, I've only got $1, so I'm going to purchase 1 pack. I don't have any promo codes. This is the amount that I'm going to spend, and I'm fully aware that I willingly purchase an intangible product, and it's not refundable or anything like that. I click here on finish. Oh, I've got an error somewhere. Okay, campaign setup. Oh, I must have used that on another site. So there we go. I just needed to take those little symbols off. So now I can click on finish. What have I done now? Oh, it's this one. Exclamation mark on the end there needs to be removed as well. Next. Try again. Should work this time. There we go. So that is my advert now added to Simple Monthly Money. So this is the campaign ID. You can see that this one is active. These are all the previous ones that I've done. And, you know, this will show you the number of clicks and things like that, the number of impressions that you get. So I do tend to get quite a lot of value from from Paid Verts. Like for example, this one, it was I ordered 100 clicks and I got 131 clicks. I ordered 50 clicks and I got 74. So it always over delivers on Paid Verts. But the proof is always in the pudding, as they say. You need to check to see how effective your actual advert has been, and that is where the tracker link from Leads Leap comes in. So in another video then I will do some follow-up and let you see how exactly this ad has performed. Okay, so I just want to finish off this video very quickly by explaining what I meant by the fact that when I buy advertising on Paid Verts, it increases the earning that I get. Basically, on Paid Verts, the way it works is you need to gather what's called bonus ad points or BAPs, and depending on what BAP level you have or the number of BAPs that you have, then that's going to equate to the amount of earning that you get. So if I pop over to the dashboard, I just want to show you here. So at the minute you can see on Paid Verts, I'm on group number 1 and I need 5,396 BAP for, to move up to the next level. And it tells me here, the last time your BAP group was sent 0.011 worth of ads. So that's the amount of earning that I would get from my daily ad clicks on Paid Verts. But once I get to the higher level, so once I get to group number 2, by adding 5,396 BAP, then I'm going to be earning pretty much double what I'm earning at the minute. So I'll be getting 0.02. Now obviously that's still very low amounts, but once you actually build up to the higher level of groups on Paid Verts, then that's where you can start to get paid things like you can earn like $10 or $15 for clicking on a couple of ads on here. But you have to start with the lower groups. You have to work your way up. And by using the advertising on Paid Verts, as I've just shown you, then that gives me additional bonus ad points. So I did have just about 3,500 something, or 3,400, something like that, bonus ad points I had before I added the advert. And by adding the advert, I've now got an extra over 3,000 extra BAP. So it's going to take me up to it's going to help me to move up to group number 2 a lot quicker than if I just do the ad clicks. So that's what I mean by the fact that adding the advertising, by using the actual advertising on Paid Verts, it's very, very useful because you're going to be starting to earn more and more and more on the site, as well as obviously, hopefully, getting some results from your advertising at the same time. Okay, so I'll leave it at that for now. That's quite a lot of information about how to add your advert onto Paid Verts. Hopefully you have found that useful. If you have, then feel free to add a comment below. You might also like to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to see my new videos come along. Okay, so that's it from me, and happy promoting. Take care now. Bye.